friends. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic. That name is Columbus. Guys, this is a new token, and also if we read about this project, that the light of the sun is the future of crypto discovery. So redefining decentralized finance. You can also read more about this project. Just click on the white paper. And guys, these are the social links. You can also get more info on these social links. So the 40% of the Columbus CBS token are locked at this time, and just click on the view option and you will see more info about that. So guys, you can also buy the Columbus coin. Just click on the buy Columbus and see the BSC scan address here. Just click on view on BSC scan. And guys, if we are going to talk about the Columbus more, like we have so many questions in our mind, like why we invest in the Columbus. So they write the answer that the Columbus project looks like to solve these inherent problems associated with decentralized finance and provide users with a seamless and frictionless ecosystem where they can access various financial opportunities. They also add that the Columbus ecosystem simplifies finance and gives the users simple platform where they can easily enjoy the fruit of DeFi. Guys, they write about the Christopher Columbus. We have always believed that the path of wealth is a journey to find the best opportunities. You often have to explore deep. This is what we need, and this is why we took our inspiration from the biggest explorer in history, Christopher Columbus. Guys, Voyager DEX AM exchange, tax aggregator and yield farm. The Voyager DEX is a decentralized exchange protocol and tax aggregation platform running on the automated market maker AMM model for the Binance Smart Chain BSC blockchain. Guys, they write about the decentralized exchange that the user can swap their BEP20 standard crypto tokens on the Voyager DEX by connecting their Web3 wallets with the Binance Smart Chain network. Enabled the platform work, and also they are going to similar to familiar DEXs such as PancakeSwap and Uniswap. They also write about the liquidity mining. You can read about that here, and DEX aggregator also. They also write about the seller farm, like seller farms further incentivizes users for providing liquidity to Columbus token CBS pair as well as other token pairs. User can stack their PancakeSwap LP token on their seller farm and earn a high APR yield. Guys, they write that the Trotter market NFT marketplace. You can also read about here, and this is the user aggregator NFT and NFT collection. So in the NFT collection, they write that the user can sell NFT collections such as trading cards, collectibles and comic books, graphics novels on the platform. This feature is especially useful for comic artists looking to publish their books or comic strips and earn their work. This is the Columbus wallet. You can also read here about that. And Voyager DEX mobile module like Seller Farm, Treasure Chest, DApp Explorer. So guys, this is the tokenomics of the Columbus coin. Is the token name and the symbol is Columbus, and CBS blockchain is Binance Smart Chain BB20. The total supply of the CBS coin is almost a huge supply of the CBS coin. And guys, they are going to open the token sales is almost 60% of the total coin, and the initial market cap is almost it's almost $11 lakh, and in the TAVE they are going to distribute almost 5%, and the form 25%, and decimal 18, and the hard cap is almost 500,000, and the soft cap it's almost 200,000. So guys, you can also subscribe, and payments on the Columbus ecosystem platform are made in CBS tokens. Half of the deposit fee on farm and pool are burned forever. All reward in the ecosystem will be in the CBS token. The team will conduct milestone based token token burns to help support the price of CBS token. So guys, this is the team, and the team is very experienced in the CFO of the CBS coin project is Ali Fake, and Amal is the CTO. You can also chat with them through their LinkedIn profile, like this is the link of their LinkedIn profile, and this is the COO Nizar. And guys, the next person is the Karam, which is the CIO of the CBS coin. So guys, this is the roadmap of this coin, like Genesis May 2021, concept development, white paper development, dedicated development team, token contract creation, dedicated marketing team, marketing strategies developed, and guys, all hands on desk in June 2021, and land page, website, ICO dashboard, community building starts, Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram launch. So guys, you can also read more about the September 2021 anchors out, reading the waves, November 2021 all sales up, December 2021, and the new land in February 2021, and the horizon in June 2022. So guys, you can also contact with them through their LinkedIn email, and also this is the Telegram, and you can also call them on their phone number, and this is the email. You can also contact with them through their email. So guys, this is the form. If you want to contact with them through this form, like put it your name, your email, and your message, and just click on the send message, and guys, your message will be sent, and when they receive your message, they will contact you instantly, because the team for this project is very active. And guys, these are the social links. You can also get the info through their social links. So guys, we have also the bounty of this project. This is the bounty of the CBS coin. So guys, this is the info of the campaign, like they are going to distribute almost 7 billion CBS tokens. And guys, this is the duration of the 6 week. This is the token allocation, like Twitter 25%, Instagram 20%, Facebook 25%, video 15%, blog post it's almost 15%. Guys, this is the overall bounty campaign rules, so you must to read these rules. And guys, this is the spreadsheet. So in the Twitter campaign, if you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks here also, but you need at least 300 Twitter followers. You must to follow their page, and guys, only one registered Twitter account for participant. And guys, logged private suspended accounts will not be accepted. So make 2 tweets about a Columbus token on your Twitter account per week, and you must to use these hashtags, and make 5 retweets from Columbus token Twitter Instagram page. So guys, the registration form, you must to fill the registration form if you are going to participate in this campaign. So this is the Instagram. If you have good amount of followers, then you will get good amount of stacks per week here also. And these are the rules. If you are going to participate in this Instagram campaign, then you will need almost 100 Instagram followers. And guys, this is a registration form. And guys, if you are going to participate in the Facebook campaign, then you will get if you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. You must to use these hashtags here. And guys, you must to have at least 100 Facebook friends or followers here. So guys, this is the registration form, and this is the blog post and article campaign. So have at least 100 estimate or medium followers, and only one blog post entry per week is allowed. Submit through submission form. And guys, your article must be at least 300 words, and they just accept the English language article. So guys, you must to use these hashtags also. And guys, this is the like if you write good amount of articles, like if you are going to write 500 or 1000 words article, then you will get good amount of stacks here also. And the stacks also depend on the quality of the article. So guys, this is the submission form. And the video campaign, guys, you must to have at least 100 YouTube or TikTok subscriber. Only one account, YouTube account or TikTok account per participant is allowed. So you must to just make one video per entry per week is allowed. Submit through submission form. And guys, you must to have at least make a 3 minutes video long. So these hashtags you must to use in your video descriptions. And also you must to write the Bitcoin Talk username and BSC wallet website address on the video description for verification of authorship. And guys, also you will get good amount of tax here if you make good video and it describe all about the project. So this is the submission form. So guys, this is the video of CBS projects. If you have any type of question, then you can ask in the comment. See you, bye bye.